everyone. So today there is a food event happening, and it's approximately 40 to 45 Ford cars coming. So they are gathering from Mumbai and Pune to Kapoli Sai River Resort, and I would need to reach over there in next 5 or 10 minutes. Okay, so it's the meeting point is Vashi only, so it's nearby my place. And let's see, reach there and see who all have come. So bye bye. Watchman, watchman, gate खोल देना. So the surprise is that I am going on bike and not on Ford. So let's reach over there as soon as possible. So we have started our drive. So almost 20 cars have come. I'll be covering everyone. And our next stop is Kalamboli McDonald. So some of them would be joining us from there.
क्या प्रॉब्लम हो गया भाई?
कुछ नहीं हुआ।
ये क्या है?
कैमरा है,
क्यों?
रिकॉर्ड करता हूँ सब कुछ, यूट्यूब चैनल है।
अच्छा, अभी किधर जा रहे हो?
लोनावाला।
अच्छा, इनका जो ग्रुप रहेगा वो सबको रिकॉर्ड करता है। कौन सा चैनल है आपका यूट्यूब पे? साइलेंट बाइकर।
बाइकर साइलेंट है, बाइक साइलेंट नहीं है।
ये आपका है ना?
हाँ।
और पीछे वो वैगनर भी आ गई।
Started our drive from McD from Poli. So there are almost 26 Ford Ecosport from Mumbai. So right now we are heading towards the cricket ground in Khopoli. We would be taking the drone shots over there, and Pune guys would be reaching there directly to the cricket ground. It's around 8 o'clock in the morning. We need to reach there by 8:30 so that we could take the drone shot and then reach the hotel for the breakfast. Let's see how it goes on. So it's a beautiful Sunday morning. The climate over here, you can see it is a bit foggy and cold, but it is worth riding it in these kind of weathers. So you can see the sunrise, not actually a sunrise, but it is looking awesome. I'm not sure if the camera could capture the natural thing that is coming. So last Sunday also I was over here on these roads. So this is the old highway. Right now we are on to the JNPT road. So 26 cars ruling the roads. So the Pune team has reached the cricket ground and kids are playing cricket over there. So I have asked them to speak to them and just give us some area for the drone shots. Let's see. It would take about 15 to 20 minutes more for us to reach over there. You can see the Ford cars gathering over here. It's like Ford swag. It feels great. We are reaching the Sai River Resort right now.
A few moments later.
So our meetup thing is done. It was a nice event. I hope everyone liked it. So heading back towards our house. So everyone have left from the venue. It's around 12:55. I guess it would take around 1 hour more for me to reach Vashi. I have reached Hargar in 31 minutes. There would be some sort of traffic right now because it's a normal time and people would be returning back from the weekend. More 15 to 20 minutes for me to reach home. We have taken the drone shots and video. We'll share that